Okay, this one here for us to do the zr1 spoiler. Go in. zr1 spoiler. Look at this. Oh man, look at this again. Oh, sexy. All right, được rồi không? Let's see the door. Let's see the door. Ba cái chiếc này dở cửa đâu ba? Cái chiếc này dở cửa nè. Đó. zr1 spoiler. Yeah, man, the wrap is so tight. It's called 5-piece. Yeah. Oh man, it's nice. You got a nick in here or something. You got bubble. It's okay. I don't know that. Let's see it.
Double wrap, probably triple wrap, 4.
Rather say nothing.
Yes.
Coi có bị nick chỗ nào không? Bị móp không?
Looking good so far.
Yeah, coi nó nứt cái chỗ nào.
Looking for the sun.
Yeah, check it. Check it. Okay, today Vinny bring back the Corvette C8 for me to do the zr1 spoiler conversion on it, and I short everything out. Some of the hardware is missing, and they don't have an instruction for it. This is the last time they sent without this one the chassis mount, but now it comes later, so I'm gonna test it out. But you know, it's kind of a little weak when you stick in here and tie it. You know, this here is hollow. You know, yeah, that's all the part that I have. So scrub my fingers to see. Yep, this is assembly for it, so you can cut it out and see, because right now, let's start on it. What do you think? Okay, first probably I have to change, remove all this bolt here and under here, and all the bolts inside here. Yep, everything is all under, and then pull out. I might not, maybe it's unnecessary to take the wheel off, but probably I just jack it a little bit off and see an access in here and up here. And if it's not, I'm gonna take the wheel off, but right now I just jack it up a little bit to see. So let's start on it. Hopefully it's good. And then this one, we got a dash bubble up too, look at this. And this is brand new. And I don't know, it's Vinny says only 3LT that cause the problem that the dash bubble up like that. So he bought some of the super glue and then squeeze it and put it down. I don't know that I want to try that or not yet, but let's see. Let's see. We put this wing on. The zr1 wing is like high wing. See what happens. Yep, all this piece. Let's do it. Okay, now my dad gonna remove the rear bumper, and yep, he'll remove the rear bumper. And all the bumper here out, and we can put a spoiler, zr1 spoiler on. Yeah. We're gonna put this bolt, you know, take this bolt out, but this one is different bolt. I use this different bolt over here. Is that supposed to be brand new or something? Or maybe the exhaust change? Got a different bolt. Yeah. And the last guy that take out the exhaust and replace the bumper, and they put the wrong bolt here. I don't know. Okay, after remove that, so you put this here over here, and then you have to remove over there in here. Yep. This bolt, that bolt, and number 10 up there. Yep, it's number 10. After all this bolt, and then you just lift this thing up and try to pull it down. Yeah, it should come out. And attach all this wire there. Okay, come out. So attach the mount in here and go in here. Yeah. You have to cut over here. So we're gonna take this all out. Take all the bolt out, take it down. And I'm gonna drill the bolt here, so the frame gonna go here. The chassis frame. Okay, so we have to drill this in there. Drill in there and drill the hole here. And drill the hole here, so it's gonna touch bottom here. And we'll put this piece in, and we have to cut this piece. Yeah, we have to cut it. Yeah, cut it right here. Yeah, we have to trim it, and then take this piece out and trim it here, over here. Time to take the spoiler out. Take it out. It's hard. It's two sides of double tape. Yeah, drill here, drill down. Okay, I drill two hole here, two hole here, two hole here, and then two hole here, and go here. So it go poke through here. Yep, right there. Right here. This is fiberglass, so it's easy to go in. And now put a bracket on. Put a bracket on. Okay, so this the template for it. You mark it here for this hole, and then you cut it here. Yep, and this side too. So mark it, and then you have to cut a little bit outside a little bit, and then you know. Yep, this is a place where mount the spoiler. Well, hopefully I can make it right. Yeah, just I want to use that, but probably right brake. So this I just drill it. Another big hole. Drill another big hole. Quay đó rồi. Yep, more straight. Okay, so now we file down the hole that we cut out right here. So that waiting for that done, and then time to put it on to match it, see what happens. And this fiberglass is very flimsy. It's not that steady. I don't know it should hold it, you know. And I tie it and I put a washer in here, guys. Washer in here and it stick out. Stick out. I don't know. I should put a cut here or drill a hole. I mean, I just leave like that for Vinny to choose. And I have to trim this. Yeah, I have to trim this. Trim this and put it on. Trim this piece over here too. And if you tie too much on here, it's gonna crack a little bit on here. Yep, this is fiberglass. It's very thin. So, time to put a bumper back and put a spoiler on. So everything is go in already, very smooth. And now just bolt all the bolt up and clean it up. One. Apply some of it. You have to drill it, trim it.
Yeah, actually, I was asking to see what software we're going to go. And that's, I don't know, he knows a lot of stuff. That's why he wanted me to get into it.
Oh. Clean up. Okay, so the zr1 spoiler is already done. And we have to clean up a little bit on the dash. I don't know that we're gonna do for Vinny or not, but I have to find some plug to plug this hole. Yeah, it's already done. But he bought a carbon fiber cover, but it's not for this car, so it's too big. And probably I just plug hole probably some of the black fastener, or maybe paint it red, or touch it up red or something. Yeah. And how's that look? That spoiler, look. The zr1 spoiler, guys. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Part the spoiler shipped to us without any instruction, guys. No instruction or paper. So I had to like you know, do some searching, and nobody have it, and had to figure out how to measure and put it on. But hopefully we make it already. Yep, that's good. Yeah. I don't know if this steady or not, but it's pretty hard. What do you guys think about this spoiler? You love it? Okay, so Vinny wanted to show his exhaust, so I had to cut this out. Yep, this when I cut it out, there's no way back, guys. No way back. Cut it. Okay, we're gonna take all the bolt from the grill out. For the grill, all the bolt from the grill out. And then we're gonna cut this over here, like that. cut it straight down like that. Yeah. Okay, just get some black and touch up the white over here. So it will look better. Okay, after I just touch up with the black so you don't see it no more. It's okay. Look at that. Oh man. So sexy. Yep. Sexy guy. One love. Okay, I just cut the diffuser, the rear valance out, so show the exhaust. Look at that. And I touch some paint here so you don't see the white when I cut it out. Look at how aggressive it is. Man, look real aggressive. Look pretty tight. What do you guys think? Oh man, look like a twin turbo car. Look at that. Oh man, I love it already. Love it already. Okay, so Vinny pick up this C8 and then live with a bike to modify it. Yeah, he live with a bike and then modify it. Man, it's more hot. I love you. Yeah. Drive a Corvette home. So Vinny gonna drive home. Yeah.
Thank you too.
Okay. See ya. Man, loud. That wing, zr1 wing, guys. Woo! Look fast. Phammotorsport is over here. Sports S is over here. Okay, Nate, wanna come get it? Yep, damn legend, guys. Woo, new edition. Very, very nice. Speed edition, guy. Look at that. Sexy, sexy.